In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress JSON error quickly and step by step. If you've ever tried to update a page or post and seen the message, "Updating failed," the response is not a valid JSON response. Don't worry, this is a very common WordPress issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. I'll walk you through 4 proven solutions that solve this problem for most websites. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is your Permalink settings. This is one of the most common fixes for the JSON error. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and then click on Permalinks. Take note of your current structure, whether it's post name or something custom. Then, temporarily switch the setting to Plain. Scroll down and click Save Changes. After that, switch it back to your original permalink structure and click Save Changes again. What this does is refresh your site's rewrite rules and often resolves communication issues between the editor and your server. Once you've done that, go back and try updating a page to see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, the next step is to verify your WordPress address and site address URLs. Go to Settings and then General. Here you'll see 2 fields: WordPress address URL and site address URL. These must match exactly, including the protocol. That means if one uses HTTPS, the other must also use HTTPS. If one says HTTP and the other says HTTPS, this can cause mixed content issues that block the JSON response. Make sure both URLs are identical and correctly reflect your domain. After correcting them, scroll down and click Save Changes. Then test your editor again. If you're still seeing the JSON error, it could be caused by a plugin or theme conflict. To check this, go to Plugins and temporarily deactivate all of them. Once they are deactivated, try updating a page again. If the error disappears, then one of your plugins is causing the issue. Reactivate them one by one, testing each time until you find the plugin responsible. If deactivating plugins doesn't solve it, switch your theme temporarily to a default WordPress theme, like 2026. Then test the editor again. If this fixes the issue, your theme may need updating or further troubleshooting. Another common cause of the WordPress JSON error is insufficient PHP memory. If your server doesn't have enough memory allocated, it may fail to process REST API requests properly. To increase the memory limit, access your website files and open the wp-config.php file. Locate the line that says, "That's all, stop editing. Happy publishing." Just above that line, add the following code. Define WP memory limit 256 M. Then save the file and upload it if necessary. This increases your memory allocation and can resolve the issue immediately. After making this change, return to your dashboard and test the editor again. By following these 4 steps, refreshing permalinks, checking your site URLs, deactivating plugins and themes, and increasing your PHP memory limit, you can fix the WordPress JSON error in most cases. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.